Continue.
Continue.
When Harry Jones goes being feeded. There's a whole bunch of people.
Alright.
Stu just snored.
I think so.
Hey, don't give me back right now.
No, we're only throwing. No, don't throw balls in the house.
What do you think the bowling pins are?
Oh shit, I'm gonna. Wait, I'm in the way now.
Nice.
Oh!
Oh, that's right, baby. You got defense now. You got both pillows.
This has been going on for about an hour. Go ahead, the dog. Metro's gonna bite on it. Oh my god. Dude, my dog is biting him. Dude, the dog is biting him. But he has no teeth, so it doesn't matter. Oh. Oh.